Another beautiful, beautiful morning. 2 days after Thanksgiving. Nice 29 degrees out. Down here going to a rock yard. Got a little door we fabricated. We're gonna put on a skid steer, or a loader. Got our new machine. And we'll get down this road here. I'll talk to you here in a minute. And we got this aluminum door we made. Just took some quick measurements. I just branched it up with the spool gun out of some 3/4 by 3/4. I'll sit up in here. Just gonna cut this handle off, and I just got these round bars to weld, and that way this hinges could just drop in. I was gonna cut these bars. I'm gonna weld for one support. I'll just use that bar wherever I cut it and weld that round in there like that to hold it. Same thing on the bottom, and then I could use the rest of that bar material to make a second support. We just gotta figure out some type of little latch mechanism to put them in there. Truck. It's a nice block coming out of here though. Oh yeah. You got that brunt on too? Brunt boots, sweatshirt. Legit, man. I'll tell you what. I don't go spending that expensive shit for clothes and everything, but I'll tell you, this stuff's where it's at. Warm. Pretty durable too. I've been wearing this one a couple of months. It cleans up nice. It's warm. I like the button up instead of the pull strings. Let's give it a cold start here. I'm unprepared today. Someone took my extension cord out of my damn truck. So we gotta get her in closer. Man, it's bullshit. Get these lot fancies. Got them for aluminum, everything. I like the aluminum. They work pretty good with the finishing stuff, but man, lot fancy, you get them in like 100 pack. These things are awesome. They last. Got them hinges welded up. There we go. There's the door right there. Just gotta figure out a little latch mechanism now for it. This is what we came up with for a hinge. Good for a rock quarry, that's all they need. Let's get out of here. On to the next job.